Ever searched your business on Google and wondered, why am I not showing up in the top results? Here's the truth. If you're not in the top 3 of the Google Map Pack, you're invisible. But it doesn't have to stay that way. Most local businesses are getting scammed, paying overpriced agencies or trying to DIY and failing. Meanwhile, competitors are taking your calls because they show up on Google Maps. I've been there. That's why I created MapRank Pro, a complete AI-enhanced system for local businesses who want results. It includes optimized Google profiles, SEO websites, daily AI posts, a smart chatbot, review automation, and detailed reports. This isn't outsourced to cheap freelancers. I do the strategy and setup myself, only taking 6 clients every 6 months. If you're serious about being number 1, apply now. Click the link below, take the quick quiz to qualify, then secure your spot with a one-time fee. No fluff, just results. Here's a quick riddle. What's the one place every customer visits before calling you but you rarely think about? Your Google business profile. If you guessed right, you already know what to fix. Recap: get found at the top, automate reviews, convert leads, monitor rankings, and cancel anytime after month 2 if it doesn't work. Only 6 spots per cycle. Watch the video, take the quiz, and if accepted, reserve your spot. Let's put your business where it belongs, on top.
Just stop for a minute and
Why can't you delete Google reviews? We've all been there. 1 minute you're minding your own business. The next, someone posts a 1-star review on your Google business profile you feel you don't deserve. The problem is Google won't let you delete it. And this is why. Google cancels